Wellness becoming a very popular term today, but not many people are aware about the options that is available for them, and some still feel quite skeptical about implementing alternative ways to complement a traditional medical treatments. There is no better way to find out about how these treatments, supplements can benefit you than to hear a real patient stories. So today I have with me one of my dental patients, Richard, who recently has been referred to a clinic in Birmingham to undergo a full mouth restoration with dental implants. Richard, thank you very much for sharing this story, agreeing to share your story, but can you please tell us what happened, what motivated you to have this treatment?
So last year was going to be a big year for our family because my granddaughter was getting married, and about September time I thought it was time I started practicing smiling for the cameras, and what became obvious was I didn't smile anymore. I didn't smile or smirked, and the reason was I had a denture, partial denture that didn't fit, and my teeth were not aligned, and there was not particularly good colour. So hence I didn't smile at all, which is why I came to see you and ask for advice. So that resulted in a full dental replacement, but part of the treatment was quite a significant recovery time, which with my current job was too excessive. But you were confident that you could help and reduce that. So the original diagnosis and recovery was 5 to 10 days on ice cream and liquid products to allow the tenderness and swelling and bruising to go down. That would be followed by a month on liquid diet, and then 3 months on soft food.
And how long you have been advised to take off work by the dentist who performed?
2 weeks.
And I know that we created for you a supplementary program using Yotsuba product, which incorporated a product that inhibits regeneration of the tissues, inhibits healing, speeds up recovery, as well as boost immune system and help with digestive system at the time where you needed to eat a kind of softer diet, maybe not necessarily receive all the necessary nutrition. So how long the actual recovery period took?
So after 3 days, all the bruising and swelling had come down. After 5 days, my mouth was no longer tender, so I could actually eat and drink warmer drinks and food. And by the end of the month, I was eating soft food by the end of the week, and by the end of the month, pretty much, anything that I wanted to eat within reason, I could manage quite comfortably. The other benefits I felt as well have been because my digestion's better, my stomach's better settled after eating meals, and this helps me sleep at night because I'm not uncomfortable at night. And part of my job involves a lot of driving. I usually drive 4 to 6 hours a day, and prior to taking the supplements, getting out of the car was not a struggle, but not easy, whereas now I find it very easy to just stand up and get out of the car, which is a big benefit for me.
Well, that is incredible to hear. And how much time did you actually took off work?
3 days.
Amazing. And before this surgery, have you been taking supplements prior then?
No, probably cod liver oil is the most supplement I've ever taken.
And now, obviously, the time of your recovery have passed, but are you still taking some supplements to support your general health?
So that because I had such a success with the digestive side of it, it seemed to make I don't worry about eating now. I actually look forward to having meals and not thinking I'm going to suffer in any way afterwards. So big, lot more comfortable.
And would you recommend other people to try supplements method to improve their health, to speed up recovery? Maybe those who also considering any dental or any other type of surgery. Is it worth trying? Does it have its benefits?
Now, the time that it reduced my recovery period, I would always recommend somebody come to you and explain what they were trying to achieve and let you tell them the best way of going about it.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much for sharing your journey. And just at the end, I wanted to put more details so that Richard underwent full mouth clearance, and it was, if I'm correct, 12 dental implant placed.
Yeah,
Yes, so and that was a day case, so that is a quite significant intervention from dental and medical perspective, and be able to come back to work after 3 days is phenomenal. I wouldn't expect this to see as a dentist. On a day-to-day case, I would say what you've been advised originally, that is more likely. So that has been a fantastic experience for you, and I think a great proof of how effective supplements from Yotsuba Japan are.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.